My favorite disposal cleaner. I do love this brand, Active. Always get different things from them, always an amazing quality. And there are 24 tablets which last for a very long time. I usually use it for a year or for like a couple of years because I don't use it too often. And it cleans, deodorizes, refreshes my disposal. And each tablet is perfect, size is perfect, it smells like it's citrus. I don't know, maybe they have different smells, but citrus I always get very nice fresh smell. And it works with my waste disposal, and I get the same one for my relatives as a present. It is amazing. Very fresh smell, and each tablet is 15 grams. And I do love how they pack it. They do give you a nice instruction on how to use it, different steps, and that is before and after how the disposal use. I think it is must have for the house. I'm very happy I got it. Honestly, must have. I do love that each tablet is separately packed so it doesn't get wet. And it is very easy to unpack it and use it. Just an amazing purchase.